Go, dude.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey, you gotta go to the other side. On the other side, get Weston. See him? Okay, get him. Ready? Go.
All right, go back to mommy.
Come back this way. Ready? One more time. Wiley. Weston, yep. Yep. Whoa. Bed, yep.
Jump over to that couch.
Jump. Ready?
Your foot fell through. Whoa. I'm not sure that was on purpose. Oh.
That was a close call. What are those?
Daddy.
No. Daddy's gonna play with them, but what are those?
Daddy.
What are those called, Brecken?
Daddy.
Brecken, what are those?
Giggles.
Diggers, that's right.
What are they?
Giggles.
Diggers.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, do I normally drive that dump truck? No, you drive the dump truck.
Right.
I drive that digger. Drive it. Go dump the rocks somewhere. Whoa. Go dump the rocks. Hey.
Dig some dirt. Can you dig some dirt? Ah.
Look.
Yep, there's books.
This.
Show that book to Daddy.
Mama.
Yeah, go show it to Daddy. Show him. Hey, show him if there's a boat in that book. Can you show him a boat in that book?
Look.
Yeah.
This. This.
Okay, don't do it with the book in your hand. You'll get hurt. Brecken.
Hey, can you get down here on the floor and do a flip? Alright, let's see a flip.
This.
Oh, you went over there to read?
Gotta read for a second.
This.
Find us some boats. There's diggers.
Walk. Walk.
Yeah.
Walk.
Yeah. Find us a boat.
I want.
Hey, jump down here on the floor and do a flip.
Up.
Uh-oh.
Jump down here. Well, don't jump down, but get down.
Feet first. Watch out, Riley. Here he goes. Woo! You go over backwards.
Hey, get down on the floor and do a flip.
Come down here.
Lovely.
Yeah, there's Riley. Okay, do a flip. Ready? Tuck your head. Tuck your head. Let's see it.
Do that flip.
Stand up here. Okay, tuck your head. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Try again.
Bong.
Daddy.
Go drive that dump truck over there to the books and dump the rock out. Yep, drive it over there to the books. Drive. Okay,
Okay, dump.
now dump the rocks. Dump.
Make the sound. Yep. Okay, now go dig some more dirt. Brecken.